Star Mortgage. Hi, James.
Hi, Pam.
So when I'm out networking, a lot of people ask me, how's the market? What's going on? What's the interest rates? And I think that we hear a lot out in the public from the news about interest rates, and sometimes it makes us nervous, maybe thinking that we shouldn't be getting a loan, or we don't understand the process. Can you talk a little bit about that?
Well, interest rates are an amazing thing, I guess you can say. The news always comes out with rates are dropping, rates are increasing, and people just really never know. So what I always try to do with my clients is actually trying to simplify it a little bit. Rates honestly change every 15 minutes. Most people don't know that, but they correspond to what's called the bond market with U.S. Treasuries. And what happens is money from investors will go into the bond markets because they are guaranteed a certain return on those bonds. When money pours into bonds, the rates drop. But where does that money come from? So if you're looking at a home or refinancing and you want to know if rates are rising or dropping, look at the stock market, because that's where the investors are. If the stock market is rising, that's because everyone's putting their money into stocks. They're taking money out of bonds and moving them to stocks. If they take money out of bonds, interest rates rise. If the stock market drops, interest rates are going to drop. So just look at the Dow Jones. If it increases, rates went up that day. If it decreases, rates went down that day.
Great. So when I'm purchasing a home, how do I know that I'm getting the best rate if it changes every 15 minutes?
That's one thing you just have to look at. You should always be in contact with your lender. We have a guaranteed lowest rate that we're always going to beat someone, and your lender should be able to tell you about the market. They should be informed. It's something that we're given, that I know rates change every 15 minutes because I have a program up on my computer that tells me what they're at, where the bond markets are going that day. So it's something that your lender should be able to tell you and give you advice on whether you should float, lock, different things like that. But it's still a gamble.
So it's really important to have a lender that you can trust and that understands the market and that really will work with you as an individual.
Yeah, you definitely want to be talking to your lender and make the decision together to lock the loan. The lender should never make the decision to lock it for you, or you should never be telling the lender to lock it. Make the decision together.
Great, James. Thank you. That's wonderful information. I know it can be overwhelming for people.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'm Pam McCoy with Coldwell Banker. If you need help with purchasing a home, I would be happy to help you, or selling a home too. James is here for you. If you have any questions about your loans, he'd be happy to help you too. You can reach